everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 10th to the 14th of May 2021 on Monday. Zolani and Emma discover that an old enemy hasn't completely disappeared. Tshepiso shocked Mabotho and the Cobra on Tuesday. Mabotho set out for revenge against the people who hurt his friend, and the Emma's enemy finally finds someone who sympathizes with her on Wednesday. Things get messy as Mabotho and Cobra take the law into their own hands, while Zungazi has nowhere to turn in her life or in her time of desperation on Thursday. Zolani makes a purchase offer, but the buyer won't sell. Tshepiso and Gidiboni are at odds over what should be done about her attackers on Friday. Mother and daughters struggle to find their way back to each other. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.